I was also on lots of memes with Narendra Modi.
Wow.
I am not a SIM card, okay? I'm a real person.
And nor does she pay your bills. It was overnight success.
Yeah, but the thing is, the lead up to the overnight success, nobody talks about. Nobody talks about that stuff. Nobody talks about the Virar Pass and BST buses which I travelled in.
Hi guys, I'm Kajol Tyagi and you're watching Kajol's Cave. And today we have one more cuter animal with me. Sasha.
Is it a cave or is it a cage?
It's a cave for now.
Okay, cool.
Because cage is like it blocks you, right?
Right.
And cave is like तुम्हें बाहर से वो cave दिख रहा है, अंदर जाओगे कितने लोग हैं, क्या-क्या है, कुछ नहीं पता.
Wow, I never thought of it that way. That's why I'm friends with her. Now I know.
Exactly. So this is Sasha for you, and she's one of the most famous faces of all time.
I like it.
You know, the first time I met her, you were about to get that brand. I don't think you had already gotten that brand.
Yeah, no. I was in the throes of doing some major literary communication which I used to do for lots of non-profits. So I used to work with them.
Yeah.
And I think I'd met you at the end of that phase.
After knowing you, like within 2 weeks, you were on hoardings. I was like, oh, Sasha.
ये तो अभी मिली थी मुझे.
अरे मेरा तो और close friend बनना चाहिए. And then suddenly you were like a rage, and you were everywhere. Everybody was talking about you. You were like on Facebook, social media, everywhere.
I was also on lots of memes with Narendra Modi.
Wow. Memes with Narendra Modi. Yeah, you were there.
Can we mention this?
Of course you can.
Okay, cool.
Narendra Modi
Thank you,
is
YouTube,
big.
for allowing us all this. That's true.
Uncensored. So tell me, how did that change your journey?
Oh, well, I think it was a very big step for me, and it was a very big change, and I think it sort of just, sort of catapulted me. Like, I was like this person on a gulal, and then I was just, next thing I know is I'm flying mid-air through memes and space with faster net and, a lot of stuff. So yeah, it was amazing, to say the least.
I cannot even imagine you guys. Like, it was overnight success. Like, what happened to Deepika Padukone after Om Shanti Om?
Yeah, but the thing is, the lead up to the overnight success, nobody talks about. Nobody talks about that stuff. Nobody talks about the Virar Pass and the BST buses which I travelled in.
Because no one knows about it. That's why I was like, you have to be on my show and you have to talk about your journey.
That's
because you are somebody people look up to. ऐसे तो दीपिका के लिए बातें होती हैं. अपनी साशा काफी famous हो गई है. So how did you take that negative side of that story where you were becoming infamous because that product wasn't like making so much influence on these meme artists?
One second, I need to take a break to cry. But moving on, I think it was very, very, it was in my face. I had to sort of face it. But I had a choice of whether to deal with it or not, considering it wasn't directly related to me. Yeah. So I just chose not to deal with it. I just sort of ignored it. But that was one of the best ways to deal with it, honestly.
But on roads?
On roads, I did get asked by people to pay their bill, but I told them कि देखो भैया अभी तो है नहीं मेरे पास पैसे आप बाद में आना.
I remember doing that to her. I was like यार मेरा ना एक recharge करा दे.
Kajol is the reason all this started. We should beat her.
Yeah, absolutely.
Friend यार अगर ऐसा friend हो तो मतलब
दुश्मनों की जरूरत नहीं है. So and one more thing, you remember how we for the first time met?
Yes. You rang my doorbell and I was getting ready to go to the toilet.
So she was technically wearing, she was like in a white towel. I'm like,
I was like Ranbir Kapoor from, what is that film?
Savaria.
Savaria.
Yeah, I was like,
except for the
एक बार कर दे बस. But तुमने नहीं किया.
Girl love. What does Superwoman do? That girl love thing, I really like it.
She's a huge Superwoman fan.
I love you, Lily Singh.
And who's the other YouTuber that you love?
Kajol.
Yes.
No, Kajol comes first. Sorry. Kajol, you come first.
I paid her for this.
In Coke. मुझे असली पैसा चाहिए काजोल. मुझे कोका कोला से मेरा पेट नहीं भरता.